Hi viewers, welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video, you are going to learn how to create a column chart in Excel. A column chart displays data in vertical bars. It is commonly used to represent data that has distinct categories or groups, making it easy to compare values within those categories. Let's create a column chart with the help of this table. So here we have a table of month, their sales and their expenses. To create a column chart, we need to first highlight this table. And now click on Insert, click on Chart and select the first chart. You can see the column chart. The sales values are displayed as blue bars and expenses values are displayed as orange bars. You can see the axis values are on the left side of the graphs. Now let's change the chart title. Click on Chart Title. So that's how we can create a column chart in MS Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, like and share this video and subscribe Excel Tutorial Hub for more videos about Excel.